vlogging a little weekend in my life. So it is Friday and I'm here with Connor. Say hi.
Hi.
Lovely. Currently going shopping for Connor, and then this is true. And then we are going to Hyde Park for me.
We do TikTok too.
No. Connor's happy. Show him what you got. Show the back.
It's a jersey.
Yeah, a jersey that he's been talking about for like the past month. And he finally got it. Yay! We are in Hyde Park now, and we went to the Little Work Project store, and Connor got me 2 more. Look how cute this bag is. So also Posies is here, and it's like Barbie themed because the Barbie movie came out today. So we have to get some flowers. Aren't you so excited?
So excited.
Yay. I think I've said that twice now. I'm praying that the sun stays out and the clouds don't cover it. Ew. We just spit.
My daughter, Madison.
I got my flowers. Thanks, Connie. Can you put it away? Look, I want my pink Converse to go with the pink peach. That was embarrassing. What floor are we on? The 3rd? I hope that's right, because you're not answering. Stop!
It's a real day in the life.
Okay, now, is it even on me?
Yeah, it's on you.
Okay, we're going home now, so we can put these in water so they don't die. And then we're going to the Rays game with Kate and Leah. So we got big plans tonight. So we're currently headed to Chipotle because we're starting. But I wanted to show you the bracelets I got. So I got this one. Oh, it's gotta focus. It says Hope, and it's just like really, I really like the blue colors. And then this one.
Beach bum.
Well, I want it to focus. Beach bum, and it's just like white with little gold. I just thought these were super cute and dainty. I already have a few from there. So that is my haul, and of course my flowers.
Are we vlogging?
Yeah.
Hi vlog! Oh, we're so dark.
Oh, there we go.
Welcome to a Friday evening with us. I kind of forgot the day.
We're going to the Rays game, so we all have our...
We all have Connor's jerseys.
We are all wearing one of Connor's jerseys.
Is this one his too?
Connor's wearing his new
I feel
one.
like this is tiny though.
I got a whole nother one because it was.
He bought 2, so I got one of them.
So this is technically yours.
Yeah.
I mean, they're both technically.
And that one's mine too. They don't fit him anymore.
Kate, why are you so excited? It's even in the wild.
This is the vlog. Come here, buddy.
Touch him, touch him, touch him, touch him.
Oh! That was so
Yeah.
Go, go, go! Come here, come here.
Go Rays.
Look what we got.
Are we gonna swing it?
Let's go, Rays! Let's go, Rays! Let's go, Rays!
We're like, whoa! Careful. I'm a lefty. Hey, you're a lefty?
Put them together.
Connor telling me how to do this.
Good morning. It is Saturday and today we are going to Busch Gardens and I'm so excited because the last time I went was years ago. So I'm really excited. Connor is coming with me, obviously. I'm not sure, I guess he's taking my food right now. I have this cute little set on. What are you wearing?
Shirt and shorts.
We're all ready to go. So far we have been on Shikra and Tigris and it's really hot. We are both like sweating so bad. Connor's dying. But we're making our way around to go. What's the next one? Kumba. Kumba. What? Oh. Jungala. Tell them how much we just spent on Chick-fil-A.
Way too much.
We just spent $40 on Chick-fil-A at Busch Gardens. And they only have like one size for the fries, so we had to get large. The nuggets alone were $10.
Outrageous.
Crazy pricing. Hello, it is quite a few hours later. Busch Gardens was so much fun. So we got all cleaned up and we are going to the mall because Connor has to exchange some shorts. And then we're gonna get dinner and we're gonna go watch the sunset at Davis Island. So I packed a bathing suit. I'm also bringing my new hat that I'm obsessed with. It's so cute. So hopefully get some good pictures. So yeah, we're just doing a cute little date night. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So we ended up not getting anything at the mall. We're headed to dinner. We're going to Texas Roadhouse. I'm so excited to get their rolls. We're at Davis Island. So cute. I changed. And we're gonna hopefully get some cute pictures. But there's a lot of clouds, so we're hoping for the best.
And a lot of people on camera.
Oh yeah, and it's really busy. How pretty. Sunset is pretty. It could be better. There's some clouds blocking. I think I still got some good pictures. Connor's transferring. He took so many.
300.
He's the best.
Thank
you,
on my phone.
He did a good job though. So sunset was pretty. There's a little bit of clouds covering it, but still really pretty, and I think we got some good pictures. Time to go through all 500 of these and send them to myself, because Connor's camera is better than mine. And then
It's a blessing.
we're going home to meet with Leah so we can watch Too Hot to Handle, and I'm so excited. Connor loves Too Hot to Handle. Don't let him fool you. He makes me wait to watch it with him. He would just never tell you that.
That's such a lie.
It's not a lie.
Throwing words in my mouth. Where am I going?
Oh, you're going the wrong way.
No, I'm not.
I know you're actually not. Good morning. It's Sunday. We went to church this morning. We have Leah with us. Yes. And we're going to the beach.
Yay.
Connor loves to talk.
Hopefully the rain doesn't.
Yeah, it looks a little bit cloudy, so we're hoping that it doesn't rain on us. So we are back home now. We had such a fun weekend. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog there. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.